Good afternoon, student. Today we will cover the topic binary file. Today's topic is binary file in the data file engine. We already learned about the text files. So there are two types of files, binary file and text file. And always remember the difference between both files. Already I covered in earlier videos. So binary files are any file where the format is made of readable character. Binary file can range from image file like JPG or GIFs, audio files like MP3s, or binary documents formats like Word or PDF. In Python, files are open in text mode by default. By default, they are open in the text mode. But if any file we want to open in the binary mode, we require a mode with B character. That B is representing to the binary mode. So let's with some revision top points also. So text file modes are like read R for read, write, W for write, R plus read and write, W plus write and read, A for append, A plus for append plus read. And there are two special pointer functions also there, seek and tell. So this is about the text files. So when we are going to use binary file, we used to require B character with the file mode. B like RB, WB, RB plus, WB plus, A plus, AB, AB plus, RB, WB, RB plus, WB plus, AB, AB plus. So that file is that show that file is a binary file. For example, suppose I have a file object. Suppose I have a file. One file name is my file name is a city. Open city dot txt, or I can use any other name also, like I use a data file dat. I can use this extension also. I want to open this file into read mode. So this is a file mode for read. Suppose this file I want to open this file into write mode, then WB. So this is the example of files read mode of binary file and write mode for binary file. So for the binary file, there is special methods which is used for the operation on binary files, pickle, dump, and load. So if we wish to write a structure such as list or dictionary to a file and read it subsequently, we need to use Python module that is pickle. Remember that term pickle. Pickle, we need to import this pickle module into our program. So that pickling refers to the process of converting the structure. Which structure? The structure of list or dictionary to a byte stream before writing to the file. While reading the content of file, that is reverse process of pickling. So repickling is used to convert the byte stream back to the original structure. So this is pickle and unpickle. We know that the method provided in Python for writing or reading a file structure work with the string parameters. Normally with the text file में जो देखा हमने string parameters लिए थे. So we want to work on a binary file. The conversion of data at the time of reading as well as writing in the file also required in the binary file. So pickle module can be used to store any kind of object in a file. This object means the list or dictionary object in file, as it allows us to store Python object with their structure, and same structure file में store हो. So for storing data in a binary format, we use pickle model. First, we need to import this module. To use this module, we have to import the module, import pickle. It provides two main methods for the purpose. There are two methods, dump and load. For creation of binary file, we will use pickle.dump. Which method we require? Pickle.dump, like a write data into file. to write the object in a file which is open in binary access mode. So here is spelling mistake, dump object comma file object. So that pickling, it is a process where Python object hierarchy is converted into a byte string, and unpickling means it is the inverse of pickling process where a byte string is converted into an object hierarchy. There is model interface of pickle, dumps and loads. This function is called to serialize an object hierarchy one by one उसमें data insert करने के लिए, and load, this function is called to be deserialized a data stream. So remember dump and load method for the binary file. Here is an example of a dump method. Remember that Python is case sensitive, so I small letter import pickle. Suppose I have a list of 5 elements 10, 20, 30, 40, 100. F equal to, I open this file into write mode of binary file. Now, that dump has two arguments, that value, that list object, comma name of file. So this list object is added into this F. Now the single print statement file that printed after the completion of the operation and dot close. And in the duty for the load, F equal to open, we open this file into read mode and load the content of that file and store into L1. F dot close print L1. I will show the Python executable code of this two method also. We will going to switch on the Python editor. See, this is a code for pickle import methods, dump method. L equal to 10, 20, 30, 40, 100 and F equal to this WB. The writing in binary file pickle.dump. This is a important method. This method is used to store the data of list into file, which the file is list.date. Print file added to the binary file f.close. So after executing this, we will get the output also. So this is output. Now I want to look the where is the data is stored. So I will access that file by opening a file. Select here all files. My file name is a list. This is a list. See, this is a data file, date file, time of creation also there, and list.date. We will see the binary coded data in file. Yeah, already the file encoding is invalid for Python. Okay, so what is the current encoding? This I will show that data showed in the file is just like this way. Oh, okay. Now I want to see, look back the data in the my original format. I have to use method load. So I created another program for loading the data. For load the data, we required import pickle. I use that same file list.date in the read mode pickle.load. This F open this file and load into load content into L1. F.close and printed that this L1 data. Now I execute this code. So this is the output of that program. So this two method dump and load. Dump is used to write up data into file and load is used to display the data on the screen. So again we will understand the terms, or the term, two terms, that dump for the creation of file, we will use pickle.dump, and the dump method is to, remember that is spelling dump, that should be correct spelling, object comma file object. So the object means the data which you want to store in that file, and comma that file object. So this is the syntax of dump. You always remember that. So that pickling, it is a process where Python object hierarchy is converted into byte string. Unpickling, if it is the inverse of pickling process, just where a byte string is converted into an object hierarchy. So we will easily understand these two programs. And again, I will take the another example for the dictionary writing of in binary file. So here is an example how to write dictionary data into dictionary, one file, data file, binary file. So I used import pickle. It is a dictionary key and value pair, that first key is Python 32, Python, well, Java 43, C++ 21. So these are the three key I took. Python, Java, C++, and value of that is 32, 43, and 21. And I use this file into write binary mode. Writing function in binary mode. Method is pickle.down. D is this object and F is the file object. Print dictionary data edit to binary file f.close. I am going to execute this. So this is the output of file. Now I am going to show you the output. So this is the output of that dictionary program of this dictionary object of binary file. Here is a program for load the data of a dictionary into dictionary deck file, data of a deck file to on screen. So I have to use again import pickle f equal to open date in the read plus binary mode, d2 equal to pickle dot load f dot close, and print d2. I'm going to execute this. So this is the output of the file. So it's all about the two methods of binary file, dump and load. And I took two examples also, one example of list and another example of a dictionary. So this is all about the binary file of data file handling and operation of the data file handling. So remember that syntax of both method, dump equal to, dump should be on the file object equal to the object may be list or dictionary, object comma file object. So and for load file object. So dump is going to use here two parameters. One is object, your dictionary object or list object, and here is a file object. And load is required file object, and where the data is stored, that format. Okay. Here suppose what should be there, the object here. So remember the syntax of object, dump and load. So these are two important functions which is associated with the binary file operation. Dump used to write a content into file, and load is used to load content from a file for the display. So this is all about the binary file operations. I hope you are going to execute this code and understand the concept of dump and load operation. Thank you and have a nice day.